Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tay. I'm back at again with another video. Please don't mind my room. I'm still in the process of cleaning and everything. I just wanted to take you along the journey of me purchasing my desk and decorating it and so on and so forth. And I thought it would be great to share this with you guys. Without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, it only makes my channel grow even more, so please. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's quick and everything will be linked in the description box below. So I was looking on IKEA for desks and then I gave up because none of them would ship to me because they were out of stock. So eventually I just got up and measured out my space and eventually bought a desk off of Amazon. I'm currently sitting on the floor where I'm going to put the desk because I'm trying to organize like You think that's funny? Yeah. Because I'm organizing like where all my makeup is going to go and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys. I bought this thing. It's supposed to go under. So it's going to be like that's on top of this. And when I'm done, I'll show you guys what I do with this. I took a trip to Hobby Lobby to look for extra decorations for my room, desk area, and here they are. So I bought this organization box for the leftover of my makeup products to go under the table, and it's just something to look clean, matches the table, period. I got this tea to put on it just for decoration, and I was thinking about putting a picture of me here, like a Polaroid picture, just to look cute. This chalkboard type thing, but instead of chalk I got the chalkboard liquid markers, so like that. It's different colors. It's white, orange, pink, and purple, which I thought was cute. Lastly, this is the plants I ended up getting. This one, super cute, super cute. Oh, I also got Rolos. But hopefully this desk comes in tomorrow so I can put it together and give you guys a little desk tour and everything. Marcel's awake and he wants to help with the table, right?
Right.
Here's my reputation.
And Kaizen is here also helping.
It's also help.
Okay.
We got the screwdriver.
You have to give me the screws, right?
Yeah, give
Where's the
me.
screw?
You have to hold it, but you have to be very careful.
It is that.
Put it a little bit further away.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi, you. Aya!
Okay.
You.
Alright. Thank you. So here we have this chalkboard thing where I just wrote 4.0 season because we have to get a 4.0 this semester. In the back I have these little air freshener things. I'm obsessed. I have these everywhere in the house, literally, and they smell so good. I have this candle here. It's called Lava Flow, pineapple, creamy coconut, and you know me, I love these types of scents, so I just put that there. I got this from TJ Maxx. The tag's still on it. This is the little plants that I got from Hobby Lobby right here. It looks super cute. The white and the black goes so great. This is my Polaroid camera. I always use this for decoration. I don't know why. I just feel like it just makes it look very aesthetically pleasing. I just have my lamp here where you can put your phone, your iPad, whatever. It has 2 outlets, so I could charge stuff there, as well as the wireless charger I have here for my phone. And then in these cup holders I just have highlighters, markers, and then my pencils and pens. I have to put my other pack in there because it looks very dingy, but those are just the leftover from last year. And in this little filer, I have a folder that has like what's due when type thing, so we know when everything is due. I have my education literacy book here, and I have 5 notebooks for my classes, and then I have that other planner just sitting in here because just in case if I ever want to use it, I can. And under the desk, I have a new extension cord that I just purchased, and this box where I just put the remainder of my makeup and my waxing kit in it because that didn't have a home, so now it does. Yeah, that's my desk. I'm super glad that I have this. Now I can get stuff done. So I got this the last time I was to Hobby Lobby. I originally had this as my planner, but I realized that this one was more like interactive or whatever you want to call it. So I want to show you guys. It's super cute. Each month is a different color. This is July, this is August, and this is where I've been writing for school stuff so far. This is December. It says goals to do, birthdays, important dates, and simply grateful for. And then this is great because this is me. Eat well, travel often. Literally me. That's the message for that month. And over here I have my birthday girl sticker over here, and it's the same for each month. There's a different saying, different whatever. In the back there's a little folder where you can hold little things, and then there's 2 pages of stickers that comes with the agenda and some goals for 2022 and so on and so forth. I don't know, I really like this better than the plain old gray one. I'll still use it, but just not as much as this. If you're wondering where I put the makeup organizer, I put it on my nightstand next to my bed. Makes more sense. I just kind of put like my foundation, eyebrow, my concealers, all my lip glosses. There's some missing, some unopened jewelry. This can go on my desk. In this drawer I have beauty blenders. This drawer I have like Fenty highlighter. In this drawer I just have some ointment, bronzer, and a blush thing that I got from Marshall's. Lip liner, eyelash glue, glitter, whatever. And this I just have all these face masks. And in this drawer I have all my eyelashes. And here I have makeup removing wipes. So yeah. The only thing that's left for me to find is a chair, but I can find a random chair in this house because there's a lot of chairs, if you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I saw a lot of people putting these up and I said, hey, I'm getting a desk for myself, why not do it too? I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you guys for watching and toodles.